Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstrader. Today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days. Natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the price of natural gas, what we have seen, a narrow pattern is trying to form. If you look at this particular, so chances are very high if the price move again to a level of 6.5 to 6.4 to 6.5, a probability of moving further upside is there. Okay, or if it goes below this particular level, then chances of below a level of around 5.9, then chances of moving further low is there. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what you can see that this is a trend line forming. So once this trend line move below that level, then we can see it can fall further low. Okay, so before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in natural gas, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances of moving towards a level of $6.114 is there, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $6.309. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 6.443 is there. Okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $6.653. Okay, and once the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $6.967. Okay, and then further upside if the price sustain above that. You have to understand that $6.8 is again a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. Once the price goes above a level of around 6.9, then chances of touching $7.1 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $7.340. $7.340. Okay, and once the price sustain up that level, then we can see it can move further upside, because opposite pattern will form and a probability of moving further upside is there. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above a level of $7.3, then we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching $6.010 is there, and from there see it can touch a level of around 5.8. And once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of $5.79 is there, and if that level move further low, then a probability of touching $5.645 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching 5.6 is there, and once if it fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.3. As I've explained you that 5.3 is a weak support, so chances of moving further down is there if the price fall below this level, and then we can see it can touch a level of 4.9. and once it fall below this level, a probability of moving further low is there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, you have to understand now that most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk is $500. So once it comes 500, exit the trade for the day and then trade the next day. What people do is, because this is not a burden for you to recover the amount for the next day, you can focus more on profit. But what people do is lose so much money, then they try to recover it. For recovering, then they lose their full capital. This is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things, how to strategize, how to when to apply the strategies and all. This is what I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.